friends, Jessica here with French Farmhouse Flair, and today I wanted to share with you a dollar store DIY project that's super easy, super simple, guys. And if you want to try this at home, I'm going to share with you exactly what you'll be needing. So first of all, you'll be needing to get some of these really cute potted lavender little flowers from the Dollar Tree store, as well as you will need some white paint. I just got mine at the Dollar Tree store, and you can use whatever you have on hand. I'm using a dollar store little sponge brush, as well as this nice little art palette to put my white paint in. And you can get these little art palettes from the Dollar Tree store, and they come in a pack of 6 like this. And I will also be using my Dollar Tree store scissors and my lace ribbon from the dollar store as well. It comes in 3 yards. And then this jute twine that is 180 feet that you get with that. And then I'll also be using these glue sticks that you can purchase from the Dollar Tree store, and it comes in a large pack when you buy these. And then the other thing you will be needing would be these cute little seed starter pots, and they come in a pack of 12 at the Dollar Tree store. And then I'll also be using moss, green moss. Now you can get this darker green moss at the Dollar Tree store. I got this from the Dollar Tree store, but I just put what was left over from another project into the Ziploc bag. So I will probably be using this one for this project, but you can also get moss in different colors there at the Dollar Tree. They also have this reindeer moss that you can purchase as well. So whatever you want to use. Like I said, I'm just going to be using this leftover that I have from another project, but it was purchased from the Dollar Tree store. And so, okay, let's go ahead and get started. I will share with you, this is what we're going to be making today. And I just think it is adorable and very French country, French farmhouse look. And I will be also sharing with you where I end up putting these cute little pots at the end. So stay tuned all the way to the end if you'd like to see where I put these little cuties. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to just cut the tag off of here, remove the Dollar Tree store tag, and then I'm going to just take this off. Now I will be saving this one and putting this other one to side. I won't be needing that one. Unless you want to use it, you could. Okay, the next thing I'm going to be doing is taking my scissors. Now the pot is narrower at the top and it's a little bit wider at the base here. So I need to remove some of this off of the base in order for it to fit in our little pot here, guys, because this is wider at the top and narrower at the base. And so we want it to be able to fit all the way down in there. So that's why I'm removing some of this foam that's, I don't know what you call this. I'm going to call it foam. It's like those little, reminds me of those little packing peanuts, and it makes a mess too. So just a warning that it's messy. So mainly we're just taking it off of the bottom half. And that's probably good enough right there. And then I'm gonna put it, well, oh, I gotta put my, I'm gonna take that off. And then I'm gonna put it back in the burlap. Make sure it fits good in your pot. Yeah, it's gonna fit nicely in there. And I'm just gonna wrap this around. You don't have to do this because it will stay once it's in the pot really good. It'll stay fine in there, but I'm just gonna wrap it around again like it already was originally, and tying it in a knot. And then just cutting off the excess. Okay, now I'm ready to put it in my pot. I'm pushing it down good. I want that burlap to stick up and out of this cute little pot here. I think it looks super cute. And if you have any extra little long strings of that burlap, you can just cut off. You want to trim some of that off. Okay. So super cute. Now I'm going to take the camera and go down to the end of the table where my hot glue gun is already heated up and ready to go. So, okay guys, I'm down here by my hot glue gun now, and I'm just going to put the hot glue down inside of here on top, and then I'm going to add my green moss in here. And then just turn it and pull. I'm just going to pull down this burlap here so that I can get in there to put the hot glue gun down and the hot glue down in there. And just grabbing some more of my green moss here. And I'm just going to turn it again to get the other side. You guys get the idea now. You just want to put the moss all the way covering that inside of your pot, because it just kind of is painted green. And I wanted just to add the green moss to it. I think it looks a lot better. A little bit higher quality, I guess you could say. Okay, so that is what that looks like now. I think it looks a lot better with that green moss down inside of there. Okay guys, now wanted to share with you what it looks like before you put that green moss down in there. So yeah, that's what it looks like. So I think the moss just helps really give it a more finished off look and a little bit higher end, higher quality. Okay, so now, well, before I start working on my third one, I'm just gonna go ahead and put a little more paint in here. I had already put some paint in here because I did my first one so I could show you guys what it looked like all finished. But I'm gonna go ahead and using my little sponge brush, I'm just dabbing it into the paint and then taking it into the other circle to kind of offload some of that paint. Now I don't want it to have full coverage. If you guys would like yours to have full coverage, that's fine. You can go ahead and paint the whole pot. But I just kind of wanted to have that whitewash, that dry brushed look to it. So I don't want it to have full paint coverage on mine. But you go ahead and do whatever you'd like at home if you decide to do this little DIY project. You could also use a like a napkin or a paper towel to wipe your brush off to get some of that paint off if you'd like. So that's all there is to it, guys. And then you would just let that dry, and then you could tie your little ribbon around it like I did here. I just took one piece of the lace ribbon, and then I used also the jute twine with it. So I just tied a little knot and then cut off the excess. But that's what it ends up looking like, guys. I think it's super cute and just a super simple DIY project. I'm going to go ahead and make more of these. I only have 3 little pots out here, but I think I'm gonna have to make more because I do have more of these pots to go ahead and make more of these. I think they turn out so cute and such a little simple, fast DIY project for spring and for Easter. I think it's adorable. So let me know what you guys think and stick around to see where I end up putting these cuties. And we will see you guys in the next one. Until then, bye. Okay guys, here are my cute little lavender pots all finished, and I did end up making more than just the 3 like I thought that I would. Since I had extra pots, I thought I would make some more, and so I did, and I think they turned out great. Let me know what you guys think of this DIY project. And what I did here for this table centerpiece is I just added the 2 little bunnies in there. I also added these cute little small little Easter egg ornaments from the Dollar Tree, and they come in different colors, but I just mainly used the lavender for this, and they come in a pack of 12 for $1. And then the little carrots in here are also from the Dollar Tree store. They come in a package of 4 for $1. So I think this turned out super cute, guys. Let me know what you thought of this Dollar Tree DIY. And if you liked it, please share it and like and subscribe if you haven't already. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each time that I upload a new video. Okay guys, have a great one. Bye-bye.